Let's be real for a second. The world in 2026 looks a lot different than we thought it would. A few years ago, everyone was obsessed with dropshipping or crypto mining. But today, the game has changed. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's basically your coworker. And if your side hustle can be done by a basic chatbot, you don't have a side hustle. If you're watching this, you're probably tired of the middle-class squeeze we talked about before. You're looking for a way to actually move the needle on your bank account without selling your soul to a 12-hour shift after your 9 to 5. You want something that actually works in this economy. I've spent months looking at market trends, talking to people who are actually making bank, and filtering out all the get-rich-quick garbage. Here are the 10 best side hustles you can start in 2026 that are actually worth your time. Number 1. AI-augmented specialized content. Look, anyone can tell an AI to write a blog post. That's why the internet is currently flooded with garbage. The real money in 2026 isn't being the human filter. Companies are desperate for people who know how to use AI to generate 80% of the work, but have the specialized knowledge to fix the last 20%. Whether it's legal transcription, medical blogging, or technical manuals, if you can take AI output and make it human verified and factually bulletproof, you can charge a premium. You're not a writer, you're an AI editor with a niche. Number 2, the digital ghost, privacy and security consulting. In 2026, data leaks are happening every other week. People are terrified. A massive side hustle right now is helping high net worth individuals or even small business owners disappear or secure their digital footprint. This means setting up encrypted comms, cleaning up their public data, and securing their home networks. You don't need a PhD in cybersecurity, you just need to know more than the average person and be meticulous. Privacy is the new luxury good. Number 3. Micro SaaS for niche problems. You used to need a whole team of developers to build software. Not anymore. With no-code tools and AI coding assistance in 2026, you can build a micro SaaS in a weekend. I'm talking about very specific tools. Maybe a scheduling app specifically for dog groomers, or an inventory tracker for people who sell vintage clothes on specialized apps. You find a tiny group with a specific headache, build a $10 a month solution, and get 100 people to sign up. That's an extra $1,000 a month in passive income while you sleep. Number 4, high-end remote tech support for the elderly. This one is slept on, but the silver tsunami is real. We have a massive population of seniors who have the money, but are struggling to keep up with the 2026 tech. Smart homes, VR healthcare, digital inheritance. They don't want to talk to a bot. They want a patient human being who can remote into their system and fix it. If you have the patience of a saint and know your way around an iPad and a smart lock, this is a gold mine. Number 5, ethical prompt engineering for small businesses. Forget the prompt engineers at big tech companies. Every local bakery, law firm, and plumber needs to use AI to stay competitive, but they have no idea how to talk to the machines. You can package yourself as a local AI integrator. You go in, show them how to automate their customer service or their social media posting using specific prompts you've perfected, and you charge a flat consulting fee. You're selling them back their time, and that is the most valuable thing in 2026. Number 6, local experience curation. We're all burnt out on screens. In 2026, people are willing to pay a lot of money to not look at a phone. If you live in an area with any kind of history or nature, start an unplugged experience. Not just a tour, but a curated afternoon, a blind food tasting, a guided silent hike, or a traditional craft workshop. You list these on local platforms or travel sites. It's low overhead, high margin, and it keeps you human. Number 7, rental management for nomad properties. The digital nomad trend didn't die, it just got professional. People are moving around more than ever, but homeowners don't want to deal with the headache of short-term rentals. If you're organized, you can act as the boots on the ground for 3-4 properties. You handle the cleaning crews, the check-ins, and the emergency repairs. You take a 10-20% cut of the revenue. You don't own the house, but you own the cash flow. Number 8, skill-based coaching, the anti-university model. Degrees are losing their shine. In 2026, if you can prove you're good at something, be it video editing, 3D printing, or even high-level Excel, people will pay you to teach them directly. Forget long courses. Sell sprints, a 4-hour intensive to master one specific skill. People want the result. They don't want the diploma. If you have a skill that makes money, teach others how to make money with it. Number 9. Personal brand ghost growing. In 2026, your social credit or personal brand is your resume. Everyone from CEOs to local realtors knows they need to be on video, but most of them are awkward and don't know how to edit. If you can take their raw, rambling thoughts and turn them into 60-second viral clips, you're indispensable. You're not just an editor, you're an attention manager. Number 10. Curated reselling, the curation economy. General marketplaces like eBay are flooded with junk. The money in 2026 is in hyper-curation. You find one thing. Maybe it's mid-century lamps, or 90s tech, or specific Japanese stationery, and you become the source. You find them cheap at estate sales or online auctions, and you sell them to the nerds who obsess over that one thing. When the world is flooded with infinite options, people pay for the person who says, "This one is the best." Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds like a lot of work. And you're right, it is. The days of easy passive income where you just click a button and money falls out of the sky are over. 2026 is about value. If you want to survive the squeeze, you have to choose one of these and actually get good at it. Don't try to do 3 at once. Pick the one that fits your current life. If you're techie, go for the micro SaaS. If you're a people person, go for the senior tech support or the local experiences. The most important thing? Just start. The gap between the people who are thinking about it and the people who are doing it is getting wider every day. Don't be the person who watches this video and then just scrolls to the next one. Audit your skills tonight. Look at your local market. Look at where the leaks are. Where are people frustrated? Where is the tech failing them? That's where your money is hiding. In 2026, the middle class is being forced to become entrepreneurial. It's scary, yeah, but it's also an opportunity. You're no longer capped by a salary. You're capped only by your own ability to solve problems for other people. Which one of these 10 side hustles caught your eye? Drop a comment below. Let's talk about the hurdles, and maybe we can solve them together. I'll see you in the next video. Stay sharp.